brutalism is often misunderstood, seen as cold, harsh, and unyielding. Yet, in the hands of a visionary designer, raw concrete can exude warmth, sophistication, and an inviting atmosphere. This is the art of aesthetic brutalism, where raw materials embrace the human touch, creating spaces that feel both bold and comforting. Today, we'll explore how to transform brutalist designs into warm and livable homes. At the heart of aesthetic brutalism is contrast. Concrete, with its textured surface and neutral tone, becomes a canvas for warmth when paired with soft furnishings, natural fibers, and warm lighting. Plush rugs, linen drapes, and wooden elements break the monotony of concrete, creating a balance between industrial strength and homey comfort. It's about using contrast not just for aesthetics, but to evoke a feeling of coziness. Raw concrete's unfinished appeal is one of its greatest strengths. Instead of covering imperfections, aesthetic brutalism celebrates them. The rough texture of concrete walls, the subtle cracks, and the naturally uneven patterns all tell a story. By layering these with tactile elements, woven fabrics, handcrafted ceramics, and organic wood grains, you create an environment that feels both modern and deeply personal. Wood is the ultimate ally in warming up brutalist spaces. Its rich tones and organic lines bring an inviting contrast to the rigid, geometric nature of concrete. From floating wooden shelves to solid oak furniture, this material softens the starkness of brutalism. Dark woods add depth, while lighter woods like birch and pine introduce an airy, Scandinavian feel, proving that brutalism can be both strong and serene. Brutalist architecture is often associated with shades of gray, but warmth emerges when we introduce earthy hues. Muted terracottas, deep ochres, soft taupes, and olive greens create an emotional depth that transforms raw concrete into a welcoming environment. Natural accents like stone, clay, and wrought tan further enrich the palette, allowing the space to feel grounded and inviting. Lighting plays a crucial role in humanizing brutalist interiors. Instead of harsh, sterile lighting, opt for warm tone, diffused illumination. Pendant lights with soft glow bulbs, sculptural floor lamps, and strategically placed LED strips can accentuate the beauty of raw concrete while creating a soothing atmosphere. Candlelight and lanterns add an intimate touch, proving that even the most industrial spaces can feel warm and comforting. Nature softens the severity of concrete, and lush greenery is the perfect counterbalance to brutalism's raw textures. Large-leaf plants like monstera, fiddle-leaf figs, and rubber trees introduce organic movement against structured walls. Vertical gardens and hanging planters breathe life into austere spaces, creating a connection between the built environment and the natural world, making concrete homes feel more alive. Brutalist interiors often follow minimalist principles, but minimalism doesn't have to mean emptiness. The key is intentionality, selecting meaningful decor that enhances warmth and tells a story. Handmade pottery, woven baskets, abstract artwork, and sculptural furniture add layers of personality to a space without cluttering it. The goal is not just simplicity, but a space that reflects its inhabitants' identities. A home should feel inviting, and Brutalist design can achieve this by incorporating cozy nooks. Built-in concrete seating softened with plush cushions, reading corners framed with warm lighting, or even a snug alcove with textured throws redefine Brutalism's reputation. These moments of intimacy within a bold architectural framework create a dynamic interplay between strength and softness, proving that Brutalism can be deeply personal. Aesthetic Brutalism is more than a design choice, it's an artistic statement. By embracing the raw power of concrete while infusing warmth through contrast, texture, lighting, and nature, we can create homes that are both striking and inviting. The beauty of Brutalism lies not in its coldness, but in its ability to transform into something deeply human. It's time to redefine Brutalism, not as a relic of the past, but as the future of warm, modern living.